Every step makes you stronger, healthier, and more disciplined. In a world filled with stress and division, let's choose peace, unity, and good health. Together, let's build a generation that is fit, united, and unstoppable.
Hi. Welcome to Ukhrul. So here I am in Ukhrul district. Today I am going to run from Ukhrul town to Shirui village, Shirui Peak, where Shirui Lily blooms. So I'll be taking few videos on the way to Shirui Hill. The motive of this run is to spread peace and to give health awareness and to encourage the young ones who are interested in sports, to take it up before it's too late and go for it. Let's make a better change. So I'm going to start running. This is Yao Lu and this is for peace. So, I'll be tracking using two apps. One will be Strava and the other will be Gold Fitness. So I'll be tracking my run towards to Shirui Hill. Hey, come on, let's go. I will start 5. So I've already started, so I'll keep going. So finally, after 1 and 13 minutes, I've reached it. On the way I stopped. This is the foothill. Now we have to climb up to the top. So I will stop running here because I have to think for my crew members. So here, this statue is strength of unity. So let's be united and let's carry peace with us. We can only solve the problem among us. Outsiders cannot come and solve it. So let's try to fix it. Let there be peace. Let Manipur stop burning. 좀 신나고. 송부가 다 들리 그 집안에 가면 중글래. 어떻게 감다 상할 때. 다 아이 그 점자 등세. So now we have to climb up. We have to climb 3 hills. These are all football players. They are how called football academy. So if anyone is interested in learning football, you can join the academy. So today they are having an outing as well, and I am here as well. I'm coming after maybe after 10 years if I'm not wrong. So let's keep going. I'll show you. 역만 깔아줘. 이 아토니는 용석스들 렉색스들 그래. 아이, 그래도 용석들 이래. 이 용가스 이거 lumchen 나오라 좀 그래. 저저 다 회송 나서. Now the real journey starts from here. So we have to climb up the hill. It's very challenging, but the feeling which you can never buy, you can have it there. You can come and experience it. The only flower in the world, and that's Shirui Lily, which is a state flower, Manipur state flower. Come on, let's go. I'm really tired because I came running, so I'm exhausted. But peace, wow! Ooh. Ooh. Không tha chưa? Cảm ơn các bạn. 깔았어. Ồ, có ghê. Dạ. Ồ. Dạ. Gila. Check the view. It's a very old tree. finally, after a long travel, we have reached the Shirui Peak where Shirui Lily blooms. So this is the flower. See, this is the Manipur state flower. It's known as lilium, and in Tangkhul it's known as Kashong Timrawan. So it's located in Shirui village, in Shirui Peak. So you can come and explore it. It's a rare flower which is found only in this Shirui hill. Even if you try to plant somewhere else, it will not grow. So it's found only here, and it's an endangered flower. So this is like once in a lifetime experience. So yeah, it's tiresome, climbing so many hills, but at the end, it's worth seeing this flower, beautiful flower. There are a lot. Back then, there was a lot, but now compared to that, back then, like 10 years back, it has reduced a lot. So it's an endangered flower. So if you are in Manipur or if you're around, you're welcome. And let's like this flower uniqueness. Let's be unique. Let's carry peace around, and let there be peace in Manipur.
So thank you so much for watching till here. Now this will be the end of the video. I had a great time and enjoyed a lot. At the same time, if you are planning to come to Manipur, make sure that you visit this Shirui Hill. You will never regret it. So please continue to support me, and yeah, stay safe and let there be peace.